Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Udemy course, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a co-instructor into your Udemy course? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a co-instructor into your Udemy course anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes other instructors have more information on a certain topic, and maybe you're going into a revenue share with them to create an entire course on Udemy. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Udemy instructor dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Udemy account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a co-instructor into your Udemy course, here on the left side, you're going to click on courses. Once you do that, you're going to see all of your courses you have on Udemy if you scroll down. So choose the course that you want to add a co-instructor into. Just note that if they're going to be a co-instructor on various courses, you're going to need to perform this process for every course. So I just have this one course, so let me go ahead and click on this one. Okay, once you click there, in order to add a co-instructor up here on the top right, you're going to click on this gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. Once you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see this section, Manage Instructor Permissions. And to add a co-instructor, click on Add Instructor. Once you do that, you're going to enter in their email address. Be sure you use the email address they have associated with their Udemy account. And then you're going to choose their permissions. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a few of these. Okay. And let me go ahead and enter in their email. Okay. Next, you want to click on Send Invitation. Okay. Quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that person has been added right here. However, they're not going to be a co-instructor until they log into their Udemy using this email. Once they've done that, then they can go ahead and accept the permissions. Once they've accepted permissions, you'll be able to designate a percentage of revenue share with them. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a co-instructor into your Udemy course, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.